Hello, my name is Joe Munson, and today I'm going to explain to you how to uninstall and reinstall a new controller. First, we're going to take out the battery. If there's a battery in there, let's go ahead and remove that. This one doesn't have one. I'm going to remove this drawer by kicking these locks upwards. They're probably going to be in the locked position, so unlock them, both sides here. And then lift the drawer up and out. And that's going to expose this plate here, which is where the controller lives. And we're going to remove that with I believe a 332 Allen wrench. Just remove these. You can cut it again. Okay, so this plate will come off, exposing the controller and all the wiring, and we're going to disconnect it. So the way you do that is you use your fingernail to pry these connectors loose. Use my thumb here, but on both sides. And it'll pop out. That's the safest way to pop them out. You don't want to pull on these wires. You want to try to get it with your fingernail. I'm going to do that on this one too. So I'll pry that one loose. Then we have this is the battery. Undo that one. And here's the motor wires. Do that one. Once those are all taken off, this thing will unvelcro out. And we're going to take this and we're going to put it in a box and send it back to Joe. All right. Now, imagine this is a brand new controller. You want to make sure it has Velcro on it that will match the Velcro that's in the cart. These Velcros will come off. You can actually take them off. I've done this before. They actually unstick and you can stick them back on the other controller. They're good for at least 2 swaps. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put that back in. It goes with the power wire goes this way and the motor wires come this way. And it goes down there right like that. Nice and secure. I'm going to do the battery. Like that. I'm going to do the motor wires. There is an orientation, so be aware of that. Now, we got this little bad boy. This one goes right in here. It goes with these little 2 rails, are on the right side. You push it down with your fingernail like that. Very important. You seat it nice and firm with your fingernail. Nice and seated. Then we have one more somewhere. These are the sensor wires. And these little tabs, the little rails go towards the front of the cart. Just sit nice and easy down there with your fingernail. Make sure it's seated. And then these wires live. Make sure they're kind of pushed off to the side so they're all nice and neat. Just like that. And then we'll put our plate back on and our screws. Now, thinking out loud here, you might want to try this with a battery. We don't have a battery, do we? Okay. Now we just need to put the drawer back in. And the drawer is just going to engage on these slides here. And then we want to lock these again. Push them all the way in. Like that.